So these exhibitions altering nature, exploring life in computational arts.
The key visual of our exhibition is based on the concept of cells. Hope it can bring some sci-fi atmosphere and also our passion on arts to the campus.
This work is a series of sculptures which called Becoming Space. It's try to explore the transformation between human and animals.
Games are not just for entertainment, they can also convey educational message and they can serve as a medium for art.
This is the very first joint collaboration between AMC in Clearwater Bay and CMA in Guangzhou, both of Hong Kong UST, two campuses. And one of the showpieces, like seaweed in artificial life, had been shown in last year's Arts Electronica Linz campus show, had received great attention worldwide.
And in this exhibition, you will see different possible forms of coexistence of organic and artificial life. For example, like through the sculpture and the games and interactive installations. If you are interested in finding out what will be artificial life in the era of AI, and welcome to this show. Thank you.
We as a science and technology university, so we actually emphasize a lot to bring technology and arts together to fuse technology and humanities. So when we established this new initiative, we imagined that the both campus, actually students, faculty, artists can work together, have this exhibition.
No matter we call it as CMA, meaning it's Computational Media and Art, or AMC, Arts, Machine Creativity. We see all the work in this field, in this exhibition, sparked the new thoughts and creativity from different research background. And we do think the discipline we have established here can help more in the future. Thank you.